Hello everybody, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I will show you how to draw in AutoCAD 2021 this piece. So let's get started. First of all, let's have a look. We have here just a simple 2D drawing, it's nothing fancy, and we will draw it as a 2D drawing model and then we will grow it. You see it? We will apply the press pull command for all these edges, all these corners, and I will show you how to draw it in this easiest way. For the people that don't know how to draw 2D, I will leave a link in the description with all the tutorials for 2D drawing. So let's get started. First of all, we have this line of 75 units. And then we have two circles with the diameter 20 and 38. So let's get started. So apply the line command, 75, and then two circles. The first one is with the diameter of 20, so radius 10. The other one, radius 19. Then we have another four circles. So diameter 34, 43, 55, 64. So I will go here, draw circle. The first one is 34 units. Draw 43. Draw 55, and the last one 64, and I have all the circles. Then I need these two little arches which are with the radius 64, so we will use the fillet command again. So fillet radius 64. Again, the same thing, fillet radius 64. We can delete now this line and press the home button, and you can see it right now how it looks. And now the easiest way, we will apply the press pull command for each of the sides, but let's have a look first again. So this distance, it's 10 units. Here we will apply 20 and then 10 in the other side. Here we have a hole, it's not a problem. And here we have, you see, three circles, so blue, pink and blue. The first one, the most exterior one, has here a distance of 10 plus 10, so 20. The other one, the second one, the pink one, it's 10 plus 5, 15. And the third one, it's the tallest one, and we have until this point 20 plus 15, so 20 plus 15, 35. So let's recap: 20, 15 and 35. Press pull command, this part with 10, as I showed you before. Oh, this one is 20, and now the most exterior one, 20. The interior one, the pink one, if you remember, 10 or 15 actually. Yeah, and the most interior one, the tallest, 35. And now let's have a look again. Let's go in the view, visual style, shaded with edges. Start to look pretty good. And then we need to apply. So now we have this drawing until this line. So now we need to add for each of these drawings those 10 units extra. So go with the press pull again. Select the surface, just the surface, 10. And for each of these circles, so 10, 10, and the last one, 10 again. Let's have a look again. Yes, it's exactly what we need. And for the last step, go with the union command. Select the whole drawing, enter, and now we have a single object. Now delete this object, it's not a joke. Select the rest of the lines, move them, so move command, little bit further, ops command, and delete these lines now. And here you have it. Our drawing now is complete in the easiest way ever. I hope this video helped you. As always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.